We represent the Lollipop Kids, the Lollipop Kids. We represent the Lollipop Kids, the Lollipop Kids, the Lollipop Kids. We represent the Lollipop Kids. Ooh, that was kind of bad. I shouldn't have done that. Right, Katie? Right, Katie? Right.
Yeah.
I probably shouldn't be doing this because I'm probably going to die and I'm probably going to pass out and I'm probably shouldn't be doing this right now.
Yeah.
So, I think that I should stop because if I don't, then I'm going to get in really big trouble. I might pass out. So,
Well, let's move.
let me finish this balloon because if I don't, then, well, what kind of balloon is this? So if I pass out after doing this, then I just want to wish you all a Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. So thanks, have a good day. You can shut it off now, Katie.